How you doing, pan fans? We're here at the 23rd annual Pots and Pans Factory Sale, where you can get all the pots and pans you want and accessories for an incredible price. Don't feel bad if you can't join us here in Vallejo, California. All these savings are also available right now on the potsandpans.com website. The benefit, though, of coming to the factory, we're raising thousands of dollars for the Humane Society, and at the end of the sale, we're going to match all the dollars we raise towards the Humane Society. So, really great cause if you can come join us. Not to mention, I want to see what pans you get. What do we get?
I am getting more cake pans because sometimes you're making a 3 or 4 tier cake and you need more pans.
Well, how many did you get?
I got 2. I already have 2.
All right, and when am I coming over to get some cake?
When would you like to come?
Right now. You know what caught my eye and will catch other people's eyes? Farberware has these nice marble pans, and they're on sale today. See, a fully loaded cart. What'd you grab?
I grabbed a coffee pot for camping.
Where are we go camping?
I'm going in next week to Bodega Bay.
Bodega Bay, isn't that where the birds attacked everyone?
Yeah, that's where the movie was filmed. You're right.
This is only $16?
That's it.
No, this is like a $30 coffee
Yes.
mate. Yeah.
It's about 20 bucks off.
Do you like pans?
Yeah.
Talking a lot about cooking, but what about when you're done cooking? A lot of good choices for storage container. In particular, I like the lock and lock. One, because it's oven safe, microwave safe. Put your leftovers here, pop it right in. But this lid really stays on.
I want this right here.
You know, these things go fast.
I know, and it's a new item, so I had to get here today.
So this 11 piece is usually like $30. I think today it's $9.
This is the 18 piece, and you don't have it anymore.
I think it's already gone. I think it was a hot item and it's gone. That's why you gotta get here early. This is day 1 and it's gone.
Any piece of meat on or whatever that would not have it be soggy.
Crisper pan.
Crisper pan, right
But-
there we go.
How much did we save today?
Oh, we saved a lot on this.
You don't know you need it till you have it, and once you have it, you know you need it for life. This little pizza warmer. Do you have one of these? You know what I'm talking about, right? Something Myesha Curry does really well, these stock pots. It's getting cold out, great time to be making your bone broth. So normally this is like a $80 stock pot. Today it's $25. So, I mean, that's a reason enough to come. I'm seeing a full cart. I got some true pan fans here. What was the one thing you came to get today?
Copper pan.
That copper is really nice. It heats evenly, gets in conduct.
That's amazing.
What are we usually making?
Everything.
We're gonna go find pasta press. You know, it's not like a store. It's a huge factory. It's hard to navigate around here. Oh, here's the pasta press.
Anyway, and it's really cool. It's got like 7 different settings, I think, so you can get different thicknesses of pasta sheets on it, and you can cut them into fettuccine, and I think like linguine and spaghetti are on there too. I bought one for my dad.
MSRP on this guy, $65. You wanna take a guess how much it is at the factory sale?
Not 45,
Not 30.
not 25, $23.99.
Wow. So this is the 23rd factory sale. Have you come to ones before?
Probably about 10 of them.
What was your favorite purchase over the 10 times you've come?
My pots and pans, all my stuff.
Well, you're a true pots and pans fan.
I am.
All right, me too. How many people do you think are gonna come through those doors?
Ooh, I don't know. This morning there was probably about, I'd say, a good 500.
Oh, wow. This 13-piece Rachael Ray set usually costs like $120, $150. If you come to the sale, it's $90. What a deal.
Cast iron pan.
Oh,
Fabulous.
for Myesha.
Yes.
Yes.
We like Aisha.
Who doesn't? You know, when you think Analon, you do think pans, but we make some really nice knives too. This 17-piece knife set is usually like around $300, but because we have the factory sale, I think it's like only 130. Let me double check. Yeah, 130. That's crazy. I think this might be the most full cart I've seen today. Well, it's been an incredibly busy day here at the Pots and Pans Factory sale. We're here until the 16th. If you can join us in Vallejo, California, we'd love to meet our Pots and Pans fans. But if you can't make it out, you can always go to potsandpans.com right now, where all the same savings are available. So go check that out. I'll see you guys next time. And tell people why they should come.
This is an awesome, awesome sale. 30% off, happens every year. If you're paying full retail, you're in the wrong place.